Breaking news. A very sad news, guys. Comedian Ada Jesus has died at age 22. She died in an Abuja hospital today, April 21. She suffered a cardiac arrest last night and was rushed to the ICU where the doctors monitored her. Sadly, she lost the battle to the kidney ailment she had been battling with today, April 25th. She was 22 years old. May her soul rest in peace. Amen. Guys, recall that some weeks back, comedian Ada Jesus went around to apologize and seek forgiveness from Odumeje and Rita Edochie and also Chi Marine, the native doctor.
What this girl said, if you get her from this sickness, then a man or Brahmana may say, if you get her from this sickness, a man or Brahmana may say, you have to get those people. You must get those people that I told you to bring and you brought them. When you bring them, you get up. That's all. But if you don't bring them, you will go from there. Then others will learn.